In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use repeater boxes in Wix. If you're building a section that needs the same layout repeated for multiple items, like team profiles, testimonials, or a list of services, repeaters are the perfect tool. They let you design one item and have that design repeat consistently, saving you time and keeping your site's look clean and uniform. Start by opening the Wix editor for the site you're working on. On the left, click the plus icon, also known as Add, to open the panel where you can insert elements onto your page. This is your main toolbox for building sections and components. From the Add panel, click on List. In Wix, repeaters live within the Lists and Grids category, and this is where you'll find the layouts that help you display content in a structured, repeatable format. Next, choose Blank Repeaters. Starting with a blank repeater gives you full control over the design, so you can build exactly what you need without removing preset content. It's ideal when you want a clean slate for a custom layout. Now pick a repeater style that suits your section and drag and drop it onto your page. Place it where you want it to appear and resize the entire repeater so it fits the space. You can adjust the width of each item and the spacing between items to fine-tune the layout. Keep your alignment in mind so everything looks balanced across desktop and mobile. With the structure in place, let's add text to each repeated item. Click the plus icon again to open the Add panel. This is where you'll bring in the content elements that sit inside your repeater items. Click on Text. This opens the text presets so you can quickly use headings, subheadings, or paragraph styles that match your site's typography. Choose the text style you want, then drag and drop it into the repeater. Make sure you're placing it inside a single repeater item. The gray item frame will highlight when you're in the right spot. Once it's inside, that element becomes part of the item's design and will appear consistently across all repeated items. Type in some placeholder text to preview the look, and adjust font, size, color, and alignment for clarity and hierarchy. You can also add an image if you want. Drag an image element into the same item, position it relative to the text, and keep consistent spacing so the design feels intentional. Remember, edits to the design within one item update the look for all items, which helps maintain a cohesive layout. And that's it. Your repeater is set up with text, styled to match your site, and ready to showcase content in a clear, repeatable way.